Hello my friends and welcome. I'm knitting a little simple hat today. I casted 91 stitches. I used one stitch to close knitting together, and then I did rib one by one stitch, and I've done 4 centimeters. I thought that will be enough for me, and now I'm just going to continue in stocking stitch, which is just knit in circular knitting, and I'll do it with this color, and then I'm going to change the color to different, and I'll do the stripes there. Now I've done 6 rows in stocking stitch, and I will add different color yarn now. Just leave end so we can hide it later. But just to make it a bit smoother, this last stitch I will take off, and I will knit it with second color there, like this. Now just put my marker, which indicates the start of the round. I will knit with second color now, in my case blue. I will do 4 rows, and then I will come back to the color number 1. So I've just done 1 round, and I'm back next to my marker, and here just pass the marker over and keep knitting. And because I'm not doing big gaps there, so when I'm just gonna transfer my yarn over, it won't make a long strand of yarn between, so I won't need to cut anything over. And I'm back near the marker, and here I started, I moved the marker and started just 1 row before with blue color here, and in this case I will knit to the last stitch, and just I'll take my first color here and swap them over, and we'll continue knitting another 3 rows as my pattern goes. I'll come back in 3 rows there. Now I've done 3 rows with the main color, and it's time to change to our second color here. I just left 1 last stitch, and I will knit it with the second color there. So we just take it from the wrong side there, and just keep knitting. If you only do 3-4 rows, then they are almost invisible, so you don't have to cut string every time you start a new color. Right, so I've done my color stripes here, and I won't need the start of the round. I won't need this blue color anymore, so I'm gonna cut it off and just leave a bit of string so I can hide it later. And I will be using main color from now on. And here, according to my knitting plan, I need to start decreases now. So altogether I have 90 stitches on my needles, and because decreases are going to be in 6 places for this hat, I need to divide them of 15 stitches. So 90 divided by 6, that's 15. So we count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4 and 5. We just put the marker there. Another 15. Another marker here. So we divide it in 6 equal parts. 6, 8, 10 and 15. I decided that I will do decreases in every second row. So this is our start of the round, another marker here, and here I will do decrease just right before the marker in this place here, and we need 2 stitches before the marker, and here I will knit 2 together. Just like that. Move the marker, and again we go 2 stitches to the next marker. So we will continue to the end of the round, and then next row will be without decreases, and the third row will do exactly the same. We'll decrease just before the marker. I'm at the 6th marker there, and I will do my last decrease here, tighten up that blue string there. And I just wanted to, I should have done it to start with, just wanted to tell you, put different marker at the start of the round so you know where the start of the round is. So we've done the first row with decreases, and the second row is going to be without decreases, and then the third row again exactly the same decreases in the same place here, just 2 stitches before the marker we knit 2 together, and I'll continue to knit this way till I get to last 12 stitches which will remain on the needles. I've written down my decrease plan. I need to knit 26 rows, and I just circled every second row where I will do decreases, and as you go you can just cross them out. I kept knitting, and you can see already our decrease line here. So we have 6 altogether, and originally I had 15 stitches, and now I'm down to 8, and it's starting to get a bit tight, so I'm going to move my knitting on double pointed needles. So that's the start of the round. Just move stitches to needle here. Because we have 6 decrease lines, instead of 4 I will use only 3 double pointed needles. There's one there. And I will knit with the 4th one. I'll put the stitches on needles here, and you can actually see very distinctively where our decreases are. So we'll do 1 decrease here in the middle, which will be, we'll knit this one together with that one before that, and another one here. We'll knit these 2 together, and the same on the rest 2 needles. We will do 2 decreases on 1 needle. And also I did put the marker here where our start of the round is, so we know where we are. I'm at the last row for my decreases, and here I will knit 1, and my decrease line is there, so I will knit these 2 together, and again 1 and 2 together. The same on other 2 needles, 1 and 2 together. I have 12 stitches left here, so I will cut off my yarn, and exactly as we did with mittens and socks. Just use the tapestry needle, and we put these stitches on the needle here. 3, 4. Pull your yarn through, and that's the next needle there. And the last 2 stitches. Again, we will tighten them all up, and as usual, just put your needle through here, and then maybe around there. Then we'll put through that hole and take it out to the wrong side, and then just hide your yarn in one of the decrease lines. Now with these ends as well, just put it in your tapestry needle and just kind of go through. Like that, and then you can cut your yarn off. And the same here and with this yarn at the bottom there.